without me, but to find a convention. I reckon it's again my turn. You'll win some, you'll learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. So, hey, better believe I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved, to love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Oh, no, no, no. La, da, 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 da. I've been spending way too long checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer, but my breath fogged up the glass.